Ukraine's Razoni cargo shipment has been located near Syria. Razoni, which set sail from the port of Odessa on August 1st, was destined for Lebanon's capital Beirut. However, due to delay in reaching Lebanon, the deal was cancelled and it had to return to Turkey, after which the location went unknown. Ukraine had concerns over the cargo shipment as they were unable to detect the location, and today they have found out that the location is somewhere near Syria. Syria does not have business ties with Ukraine, however, is a close friend of Russia. There were claims made by Ukraine that during the Ukrainian war, Russian soldiers had stolen food grains from various cities in Ukraine and had taken these shipments, food grain shipments, which were found in Syria. Russia and Syria both had denied the claims, saying that they had never done this and they would not carry any stolen grains from any country. When Razoni had set sail from Port of Odessa on August 1st, President Zelensky at that point of time had said that he is happy that the exports have started from Ukraine. However, this is not the time to rejoice, and the reason why he had said that is because he had said that even though the exports have started, some problem might crop up which Russia would intentionally do to cripple the exports of Ukraine and hit Ukrainian economy. He said that once everything starts moving in a very smooth manner and exports reach their destination countries on time, then they would be in a pace to celebrate Ukraine's export deals. However, before that, he would not want any kind of celebration because he does not trust Russia, and Russia can do anything to break the export line. This is what President Zelensky had said. And now the ship being anchored near Syria has raised serious concerns and suspicions. Ukraine is looking into the matter and has said that they will find the culprit and see what exactly had gone wrong. Turkey has also assured that they would look into the matter and see why it was found near Syria. Stay updated with me. Thank you.